엉덩이 실룩실룩. 이렇게. 세나 뭐 먹어?
Wow, these cherries are so sweet.
Oh, cherries.
Oh, nice red one.
Mine.
Oh, here.
Good.
Money.
Let's see the bunny. Oh, so cute. Hi guys. So today is Saturday, family day. We are checking out a local poultry farm. I don't want to butcher the name. No pun intended. I'll show you, but it's hard to pronounce. We got some eggs and cherries. What is it?
Makinajian.
Let me show them.
So cute.
Makinajian Poultry Farm. Let me quickly show you what's inside this little cute shop. It's just a very small little shop with fresh chicken and eggs and duck. Thank you. And then here they have snacks, all organic. I actually just got these cherries. Oh my gosh. We got a bag of like $25. Eggs and pastries. Woo. Smells so good in there. Inside, it smells like, I don't know, how do you describe it, honey?
It smells like Boston Market.
They actually make a few rotisserie chickens a day. Comes out at 11 o'clock. Anyways, this was a fun little outing. I love that we were able to get fresh eggs, which is sometimes hard to find around here. And Sana loved the ducks and the animals that were here. All right, time for the park. She loves these cherries. She's an organic baby.
She's not. She's a fruit tree farm baby. We don't believe in organic.
Honey, she wants only organic fruits now.
Well, organic but low prices, right?
Wow.
Go.
Okay, find me one more. Let's go. Can I find me one more?
No way. Why not that one?
Why?
Wow, good job. 체리 흘렸어 또?
No, wash.
wash. 오케이, 먹어봐.
No, mine. 엄마 갖고 있을게. 저기 가서 친구랑 놀아. 고! 엄마 여기다 넣어놓을게, 오케이? 에이, 세나야. 이거 토이토이 할 땐 이거 갖고 있으면 안 돼. He's so bossy. He's always bossing Charles around. 세나 잘하네. 와. 아빠 너무 뚱뚱해서 안 가지?
son crying episode. That's why we have to stop at McDonald's. Hi. Mickey's. Where's the arches? I don't know where they are, but yeah. 하나 맛있어요?
Daddy?
Daddy도 찍어줘? Hi, Daddy.
No.
Hi.
Oh, what is it? Huh? Okay, good, right? Very good.
Into her car seat.
Daddy's gotta have a little snack.
Don't eat it all,
Why?
because she might want it.
Just one nugget.
Okay.
Oh.
So, guys, we made it to Brooklyn. It was a rough ride with the baby crying.
A little rough.
Not easy finding a parking spot. But we're here for a lunch date with our family. And
There.
oh, this is the veil. Cute. Yay! Senna has been to Brooklyn before, so she knows. She has to look stylish. So we're here at Gran Torino, and the place looks something like this. Good spot. Here's everyone waiting for our seat. Senna, is she shy?
Yeah, it's okay. A lot
Oh.
of new faces.
She was crying the whole time in the car ride. Ooh, great spot.
I'll get out here.
No, you guys are in it. Go in. Wow.
Oh, look at that. Awesome.
Look at her pretty emos. Honey,
I'll take a old
Pasta,
style burger,
huevos,
please.
rancheros. What did you get?
Just eggs Benedict. With,
Oh,
very
simple. Very
but I
simple.
love it.
But I love his drink. The cucumber.
Oh, yeah. No potatoes, but can you put cheese? Oh, so
Here's chagrama and chaganapa.
so fresh. I want to see 2 cups. We should maybe plan a thing where you guys are all over the barbecue.
Maybe like,
It's a heavy porter.
look at that burger. 찬아, 재밌어? 이모들이랑 와서 좋아? 고모? 고모? We can't get it right. Ooh, that looks really good.
Oh, yeah, it's really popular. That's why it's like.
That was fun. We're heading out now. Bye. Hello. Hi, baby. My little Brooklyn girl. Should we go to the car and get the stroller?
Yeah,
She's having a good time, right?
she is. I think we should just hang out and just see where it takes
I wish I
us.
brought like a t-shirt or something.
I'm gonna stop drinking so you can just enjoy it.
Thank you. Hi. My baby. Baby 해봐, Senna. Oh, she's been acting like a baby. My baby. 멍멍이 baby야? Oh, so cute.
Oh yeah.
Coffee break.
What's that?
Is it?
Cheers.
Is it good? Oh yeah, we found a cute little coffee spot called Right Side. We have been walking around Brooklyn. Finally at Domino Park, I think. Oh yeah, Domino Park. This is so cute. We lost a few people on the way. They had to go home. But this is the last who's left in our group.
And this
I'm gonna put this on our vlog.
Perfect.
So Francine can remember you guys.
Yeah, I want to be a part of the.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Say that.
That's huge.
Go ahead.
Subscribe.
It is packed, but I think everyone needs
Like when I took you guys in last time, I was like that.
the fresh air. Look at how crazy it is, honey.
We're already down. Nice weather.
She came down this big slide by
You got
herself.
Hey! Yeah!
Hi! Which one? Go in there. Pick one. Which one? A finger. Yeah, wait. Balloon? You want balloon? Whoa!
So you can collect all different ones, take it home.
Whoa! Fancy look! Thank you!
You're very welcome. Do you think she will want to dance?
Alright, you ready to dance? Yeah! Oh! What? Foot break dancing. Woo! Hey! Woo! 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 Whoa! 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 Hey! Whoa! Whoa!
So
Chicken dance. What?
Chicken dance!
What?
Chicken!
they
What?
can pick it up.
What? Hey! Chicken like that. What? What? Chicken like what?
So I think the only
Good job! High five! High five! Good job. Oh, she said, can you give mommy one? They don't have my flavor. Thank you. So crazy how packed this place is. Say bye, Como and Como Boo.
Oh my gosh, I can't.
Say bye. Okay, get in the car. Let's go. So that was the end of our Saturday. Fun little morning day in Long Island. And then afternoon in Brooklyn. Did you have fun?
Okay.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you.
I love
Mwah.
you. Mwah.
I think it's not bad coming out